Good friends wanted me to do a video of this aircraft, which this is OAE's aircraft. I take no credit for it. It's not my design. But what I did was I believed that I would make it a better aircraft. What I did was I removed the stabilizers on it, and I also added some internals into the aircraft. I coated it completely in packaging tape. As you can see, I made it into more of a true flying wing aircraft. So let's try a throw and see if it works well, shall we? Alright. But now to throw the aircraft. We'll try and throw it out here and see if it's better. Right. I'm gonna throw it straight up. Try to give it a hard throw. Alright, I took the flaps down a little bit to increase the speed. Let's see. Alright, another throw. And hits me. Another good throw. Alright, do some adjustings to it. Let's see. Okay, that wasn't so good. Alright, I believe I have it tuned a lot better now. Let's see. Another good throw. Right towards the ground. One more time. Alright.